So this is my Android head unit that I put in my 97 Corolla, a little resto mod project I have going. And it's a 10-inch screen, Android 10 operating system, PX6, 4 gigabytes of RAM, 64 gigabytes of ROM model. You can see them on eBay all the time. You'll recognize the screen on this. There's a bunch of them that use this exact same screen that are pretty much identical to each other. So I have a Bluetooth problem with this unit that perhaps some of you have run into, and the seller wanted me to make a video of it so that I could show him the problem I'm having. So if you want to have your phone with Bluetooth music going, you have to use the Bluetooth app. Now, where is it? It's not here. It's here. This right here, Bluetooth music. So this device comes with about 3 or 4 different launchers that you can use. But what you find is, if you're using your own launcher or any of the other launchers that come with this device, you'll notice that Bluetooth music is nowhere to be found. So you have to go to this launcher and this particular app tray if you want to access that app and run Bluetooth music in the background. So that's a problem because I don't really like any of the launchers that come with it, especially that one launcher that only gives you access to some of the apps that are proprietary. For some reason you can't access those anywhere else. So I got to go to a different launcher just to get into the regular app tray. And then I'll go ahead and open up the launcher I like to use. This is CarWeb Guru. And it's really cool because there's dozens of different styles to choose from. And within each style, all the components and buttons are completely customizable. So I like to use CarWeb Guru. But the problem with this is, if I want to go into my app tray, Bluetooth music is nowhere to be found. Now, I have seen on some versions of the software for these Android head units, watching YouTube videos about these things, that sometimes it can be found in the Bluetooth phone menu. But for this device, that's not the case. So then I tried to get around this problem by using this little guy, Easy Connection. Easy Connection is the screen sharing software that comes with this device that allows you to plug in music through a USB connection or over Wi-Fi. I found the Wi-Fi to be terribly buggy and the connection constantly dropped out, so that wasn't really usable. I tried using USB and it doesn't always work. Sometimes it connects, sometimes you have to screw with it for 5 minutes. It's not really reliable either. And also another problem with it is if I'm running, say, Pandora, for example, and I'm streaming it, screen sharing it through that app, I have to leave that app open on the screen. I can't, for example, go back to my launcher and have that running in the background. It'll kick it back. It'll turn off. So I tried to also get around this problem by turning on hotspot on my phone and hotspotting to the device and then trying to run Pandora and Spotify and some other apps, but found that you can't actually stream music from a hotspot connection. So it's weird. You can play YouTube, you can get on Facebook, you can do just about anything else you want to do, but you can't stream music, of course, so that's not an option. So the only thing I've been able to do, at some point I can, upload. It's got 64 gigabytes of ROM in it, so I can upload several gigabytes of music into it and just play with the built-in player, and that'll work for now. I've been using the radio, but that's pretty much my only options. It's pretty annoying that in 2021, as far technologically advanced as we are, here's this glorious 10-inch screen hyped up head unit, and it doesn't perform the basic function, the most important critical function of a tablet style radio of just playing Bluetooth music. And so if someone could come up with a software update that would allow you to access that app from any of the other app trays or launchers, or someone has another solution to this problem, that'd be great. I'll go ahead and show you in About Device. Android 10, there's the hardware information, the CPU, kernel, OS, MCU version, Bluetooth version, and there you go. Well, hopefully someone out there has a solution.